Jetskis out for a ride. Started in Worth, Illinois, cruised into downtown Chicago, then passed through the Thomas J. O'Brien Lock before looping back to Worth. Join us for this unforgettable adventure through downtown Chicago, where towering skyscrapers, gliding boats, and the energy of the city come together in one epic journey. Knur powers ahead on the jet ski, flying the Polish flag high as we slice through downtown Chicago. Meanwhile, the crew enjoyed the scenery. Boats gliding past, jet skis racing by, the water shimmering in the light, and the city unfolding in the background. Mikey the raccoon on the green boat carefully maneuvered around the other boats along the Riverwalk path. While waiting for the gate to open, we took a Polish booster shot.
Zdrowie!
And then another one.
Zdrowie!
And then, well, it was time to cool off.
Ice cold!
If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.